Hi guys, here I will show you how to add draft watermark in Google Docs. Whether you need to mark a file as confidential or specifically add a draft watermark to Google Docs, it's very simple. However, still many users are facing issues as they don't find the watermark option in its usual position in the Insert menu. I face the same issue, so I will show you how to overcome this common problem. The first thing you need to do, guys, is open your document in Google Docs on your browser. We're going to use the super simple built-in feature to insert a watermark. Finding the watermark feature, the quick fix. You want to go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, you would expect to select Watermark. But wait, it's not here, as it was earlier. This is where most people get stuck. Actually, the Google team has made a tweak in the menu settings. They have changed its position. The simplest thing I did was searching in the Help section. Here is how. Click on Help, and then Search in Menus. You can directly use the keyboard shortcuts, Alt and / in Windows, and for Mac, use Option and /. Here, search for Watermark. Boom! Here it is. Click it to open the side panel. Now I will also show the actual new place of this watermark in the Insert menu. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if this quick tip helped you out. Click on the Insert menu, scroll down, and click on Page Elements. Here it is, Watermark. Adding a text watermark, the draft example. In that side panel, look for and click on the Text tab. Type the text you want to appear as a watermark into the text box. For example, draft in your case. You can then format your text. You can change the font, the size, the style, and, most importantly, the transparency and color. You want a high transparency, so it doesn't totally block your main text. You can also adjust the angle to diagonal or dot. Once you're satisfied with how the text looks, click Done at the bottom of the panel. The text watermark will automatically appear behind the content on every page of your document. If you enjoyed this Google Docs formatting tutorial and found it helpful, please like and subscribe.